In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a line break in a calculated field in Tableau, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up the Tableau public app. Make sure you have it installed on your computer because that's where we're going to be doing all our work today. Once the app is launched, the next step is to access your worksheet. If you've used Tableau before, you'll be familiar with this interface. If not, don't worry, it's fairly intuitive. Now that you're in your worksheet, look over to the left where your data fields are listed. We're going to work with some geographical data in this example. So go ahead and drag state to your rows. You should see a new row appear on your worksheet for each state in your data set. This will form the basis of our calculated field. Next, similarly, drag region to your rows. By doing this, you align your dataset into a more composite form, allowing Tableau to enhance data analysis by grouping relevant fields together. This will help create the structure for the resulting calculations you'll perform. Now, let's move on to setting up the calculated field. In the top right corner of your pane, there is a small drop-down arrow. Click on it and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Create Calculated Field. This is a key step as it opens up another window where you can input your desired calculated field parameters. When you create a new calculated field, let's name it something useful and descriptive. In this case, we'll call it State plus Region. This will make it easier to identify later on when you are working with more complex data. A good practice in data visualization tools like Tableau is to use naming conventions that serve as a quick reference, making more complex data sets manageable. In the calculated field window that appears, it's time to input your query. You can use the syntax name plus char 10 plus region to create a line break. The char 10 function effectively inserts that line break we're aiming for between state and region. After you've inputted this, click OK to save your calculated field. You should see it appear in your data pane among your available fields. Finally, take this new calculated field and drag it to your rows as well. What you've done is generated a dynamically updating line break split field that combines two components of your data set, making it potentially easier to parse for both presentation and analysis. That's it. You've successfully added a line break in a calculated field in Tableau. This not only declutters your visual presentation, but also enhances readability and analysis for better data insights. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next tutorial.